Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Human Cell Atlas COVID-19 Symposium. Next slide, please. I want to give you a heads up that we're using the slido.com system for submitting questions. So you can go to slido.com HCA COVID-19 on your computer or on your iPhone, or you can scan the QR code right there. And then if we go to the next slide, it's a very simple system. You should see right up there on the website that you can submit questions on the Q&A tab, and you can also upvote and downvote questions if you want to play that game. You can submit ideas and feedback, which is fantastic for us because the Human Cell Atlas community is organizing a bunch of seminars online during this pandemic period. And so we welcome any ideas. Next slide, please. And you can also take our poll for feedback. So please do join at slido.com and the HCA COVID-19 tag. Next slide, please. Yeah, so welcome everybody for whom this is your first HCA event, and welcome back everybody who's a seasoned member of the HCA community. Next slide, please. Okay, so this shows feedback to the poll. People are keen to learn about HCA's work on COVID-19. We're going to have members of the HCA community and also others who are new, who are joining. We're going to talk to us today about COVID-19 insights and new data. So it's an exciting opportunity today to learn more about HCA and COVID and what the insights that we're gaining. Next slide, please. Great. Next slide. So I just want to use the opportunity to also give you a heads up about our website, humancellatlas.org, and that we have COVID-19 resources at humancellatlas.org/COVID-19, and also a registry for projects from the HCA community and also our partners in the the European Lifetime Consortium. So you can also register there as a member with projects related to COVID-19 and go to the repository where there are resources and information from the HCA community about COVID-19. Next slide, please. So without further ado, it's with tremendous pleasure and excitement that I welcome the speakers of today. We're going to start off with a keynote from Carlos Cardon-Cardo, and then there's going to be two short sections of shorter talks, and we're going to have joint Q's and A's at the end of the two sections, and the speakers are here. Next slide, please. And without further ado, it's a tremendous pleasure and honor to introduce Carlos Cardon-Cardo from Mount Sinai ICANN and Chair of the Department of Pathology. Thank you, and I'll hand over to you now, Carlos.